So I'm standing here with Ryan Smith at K5600. He happens to have actually funny the same name as I believe a former Edmonton Oilers.
Oh, really?
So yeah.
Well, there you go. Maybe he's my brother. There's a lot of Smiths in the world. So
I don't know. Maybe if we go to mullet, you might have some similarity. But
well,
anyway.
10 years ago we had one. It was good. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, Ryan Smith, K5600 lighting. What we do here is we manufacture small and large HMI lighting fixtures. HMI lighting fixtures, daylight balanced, are one of our most popular products is the Joker Bug. Joker Bug, this is actually a Joker Bug 400, and this is in its simplest form. Nice, compact point source, of which we then manufacture several accessories to go around it in order to give you the light shape that you need. One of the most basic accessories is the optical beamer, which consists of a parabolic reflector. And then you can put in several different lenses to get different light patterns. Everything from a nice narrow lens all the way out to a frosted Fresnel, which gives you a 60-degree wide clean pattern. In addition to that, we make a crossover adapter. This simply just snaps onto the front of the head like your optical beamer would. And once you put this on, you're able to use still photo light shapers. For instance, soft white beauty dish or a 7-foot umbrella. You can then put your Joker Bug inside there and get the light shape that you would be accustomed to for a still photo shoot.
So what what dedicated accessory systems are supported now by you have
by this adapter? Yeah. By this adapter, it would be soft white beauty dish, zoom reflectors, anything that's
just Profoto or
yeah. For now, just Profoto, okay. But we'll probably expand on that into the future as well if we see that it becomes required or necessary.
Sounds good.
Some of the other things we make, if you're familiar with ETC Source 4 fixtures, this is a bug beam adapter. This gives you the ability to do gobos, patterns, hard cuts, shafts of light inside of a Source 4 fixture, and this just adapts right to the front of the Joker Bug as well. We have a shutter. Nice shutter, gives you a soft effect, nice and a little bit of throw from one distance. If you, it's a nice lightweight accessory that if you need a little bit of control, this will help you. This will help you get that as well. What else do we have? We have the multi-bug adapter. This is a simple piece of grip equipment that adapts to a baby pin, and it gives you the ability to use an octoplus or a large light bank, and you get 4 jokers within that one light bank. So instead of having to dredge around a 4K, you can put 4 800-watt jokers inside of a large light bank, get 3,200 watts of light, and not have to worry about a generator and plug everything into the wall, which is kind of convenient if you need a big fill source.
Cool.
Let's see. This is one of our newest accessories right here. This is actually a standard size 18K Fresnel lens that would be in any 18K HMI. But what we did is we molded it out of plastic. So it's extremely lightweight. And what this enables you to do is to use smaller sources, either a 2, a 4, or 800-watt Joker Bug, put it behind and get the same spot flood to ratio as an 18K.
Okay.
So if you don't, once again, you don't want a generator, you want to go outside, you want to do some window work, fill, and still have a very large source, but you don't want to drudge around a large light, you can use this instead.
So it's sold together with this sleeving, I guess?
Yeah, this is basically blocking it. If I pull it up, I don't want to blow out your camera, but you can see this is actually a Joker Bug 800 right behind this lens.
And with a shutter.
Yeah, there's a nice spherical reflector behind it, okay. And then you can spot the flood simply by moving this back and forth. So you can get a nice tight, 5 to 10 degree spot, or you can get it nice and close to the lens and get a 60-degree pattern. So with a Joker 800, now you've got a pattern that's just like an 18K, very wide and directional. You can cut it and use it just like a large Fresnel.
Interesting. And are you able to discuss price point, for North American market?
Sure. For North America, for a 200-watt Joker Bug standard kit, you're looking at about $3,000. For a 400, you're looking at about $5,000. And for an 800, you're looking at about $6,500. And then, of course, all the accessories would be additional in association with that.
So those are just the prices for heads or ballast?
Standard kit. The standard kit generally includes a head, a ballast, a set of lenses, barn doors, extension cable, and comes inside of a case like such.
All right. And where's the manufacturing?
We do some manufacturing in the U.S. We do some manufacturing in Europe as well. We have one office in Paris, and then we have an office in Los Angeles, North Hollywood, and we kind of share in all of the manufacturing processes.
Sounds good. I guess for some of us who are not too familiar with HMI, I guess what are the limitations of HMI?
Basics of HMI. HMIs are about 4 to 5 times as efficient as tungsten. So a Joker Bug 200 puts out about as much light as a 1K tungsten, to give you an idea of its ratio. They're all daylight balanced, and the main difference I would say between a tungsten and a tungsten and an HMI is the ballast. You know, tungsten you can just plug into a wall. There's no ballast electronics associated with it. HMIs do need that ballast in order to power them up. So that generally causes a difference in the price point as well.
And then I guess what about the color stability and dimming capabilities?
We actually do not put any dimming on our ballast. There is a slight color shift when you do dim, so we do it the Hollywood way with scrims. So mechanical, obviously mechanical dimming. But as to color, everything's about 5600 Kelvin, so it is daylight balanced, and the color rendering is excellent, 90 plus.
Okay, excellent. Anything else you?